You are on Limza TV.
Why wait until it's too late? Stock up for the festive season now with OnNeedle Manufacturing. Don't miss out on the biggest sales opportunity of the year. Join our retailer and reseller program today and ensure your store is fully stocked with our festive socks. It's super simple. Just visit www.onneedle.co.za and complete the form to join. Then choose from our 5 exclusive wholesale packages: Smart Bundle, Fortune Pack, Supreme Collection, School Pack, or Serene Step Stockings. With the festive rush around the corner, material delays can wreak havoc on your inventory. By joining now, you get a head start, ensuring you have the best products for your customers. Plus, enjoy exclusive rewards points and benefits. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Act fast, secure your stock, and make this festive season your most successful yet with OnNeedle Manufacturing socks. Visit www.onneedle.co.za today. Custom packages also available.